pleasure to invite next speaker, which is Master Avipriyo Adhikari, and he's talking about cloud computing, a few aspects of that. Welcome, please. The screen is yours.
Good evening, everybody. The title of my talk is Cloud Computing Few Aspects. My name is Avipriyo Adhikari from Class 7 Don Bosco Parks. So let's start with the video. We know that the World Cup was over like 3 days ago. Cloud. A cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and databases that run on those servers. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. For example, Google and Salesforce. Importance of cloud computing. Cloud storage is not only safe and secure, it's also cost-effective. Without cloud storage, we're constantly spending money on local on-premises storage, whether it's through purchase or just maintenance. Cloud bases have low hardware cost, backup and recovery cost, and security compliance, while on the other hand, on-premises have high hardware cost, medium backup cost, and high maintenance cost. Let's come to the types of cloud computing services. There are three main types of cloud computing services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service is a standardized, highly automated offering in which computing resources owned by a service provider and networking capabilities are offered to customers on demand. Just to launching virtual machines on demand. Agility of hardware that runs it. However, we still need to maintain the virtual machine by performing tasks such as configuring, patching, and installing the software that runs on it. DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean is a cloud hosting provider that offers cloud computing services and infrastructure as a service. Platform as a service. Platform as a service is a cloud service delivery model where a third-party cloud service provider delivers some hardware and software tools, often those needed for application hosting or development to customers over the internet. For example, Google App Engine. Google App Engine is a cloud computing platform as a service for developing and hosting web applications in Google managed data centers. Applications are sandboxed and ran across multiple servers. Microsoft Office Web App is an online version of the Microsoft Office suite that provides global and free access to the Microsoft Office solutions. Rather than being installed on a user's computer, Microsoft Office web apps are hosted and executed at Microsoft's data centers. Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is an orchestration service offered by Amazon Web Services for developing applications which orchestrates various AWS services, including EC2, S3, Simple Notification Service, CloudWatch, Autoscaling, and Elastic Load Balancers. Software as a service. Software as a service is a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, we simply access it via the internet, freeing ourselves from complex software and hardware management. For example, Microsoft 365 is a product family of productivity software, collaboration, and cloud-based services owned by Microsoft that ensures we always have the most up-to-date Office apps from Microsoft. Gmail. Gmail is a free web-based email service provided by the Google that provides users with 15 GB of storage for messages and the ability to search for specific messages. We can send and receive emails, block spams, create an address book, and perform other basic email tasks. Google Docs. Google Docs is an online word processor included as a part of free web-based Google Docs editor suite offered by Google, which also includes Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drawings, Google Forms, Google Slides, and etc. Types of cloud computing. There are four main types of cloud computing: private clouds, public clouds, hybrid clouds, and community clouds. A private cloud is a computing model that offers a secure and dedicated environment for a single business. For example, HPE GreenLake. Public cloud. The cloud resources are owned and operated by a third party cloud service provider and delivered over the internet. With the public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure are owned and managed by the cloud provider. For example, Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is one in which applications are running in a combination of different environments. Basically, a hybrid cloud is a combination of both a private and a public cloud. For example, the Google Cloud Platform. Community cloud. Community cloud is a cloud infrastructure that allows systems and services to be accessible by a group of several organizations to share the information. It is owned, managed, and operated by one or more organizations in the community, a third party, or a combination of them. For example, our government organization within India may share computing infrastructure in the cloud to manage data. Now let's come to a few advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Advantages: backup and restore data. Once the data is stored in the cloud, it is easier to get backup and restore that data using the cloud. Improved collaboration. Cloud applications improve collaboration by allowing groups of people to quickly and easily share information in the cloud via shared storage. Excellent accessibility. Cloud allows us to quickly and easily access store information anywhere, anytime in the whole world using an internet connection. An internet cloud infrastructure increases organization, productivity, and efficiency by ensuring that our data is always accessible. Low maintenance cost. Cloud computing reduces both hardware and software maintenance costs for organizations. Mobility. Cloud computing allows us to easily access all cloud data via mobile services in the pay-per-use model. Cloud computing offers application programming interfaces to the users for access services on the cloud and pays the charges as per the usage of service. Unlimited storage capacity. Cloud offers us a huge amount of storing capacity for storing our important data such as documents, images, audio, video, etc. in one place. Data security. Data security is one of the biggest advantages of cloud computing. Cloud offers many advanced features related to security and ensures that data is securely handled and stored. Now let's come to a few disadvantages of cloud computing. Internet connectivity. In cloud computing, every data is stored on the cloud and we access these data through the cloud by using the internet. If we do not have a good internet connectivity, we cannot access these data. Vendor lock-in. Vendor lock-in is one of the biggest disadvantage of cloud computing. Organizations may face problems when transferring their services from one vendor to another, as different vendors provide different platforms that can cause difficulty from moving information from one cloud to another. Limited control. Cloud infrastructure is completely owned, managed, and monitored by a service provider, so the cloud users have less control over the function and execution of services within a cloud infrastructure. Security. Although cloud service providers implement the best security standards to store important information, but before adopting cloud technology, we should be aware that we will be sending all our organization's sensitive information to a third party, that is, a cloud computing service provider. While sending the data on the cloud, there may be a chance that our organization's information is hacked by hackers. Thank you and wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, and so nice to see you again, and how you have grown and how good English you speak.
Thank you.
It's a real
Thank you.
role example, and this was a very nice overview, and you got it all in your hands. And one question I have is there any costs, so to say, coupled with the use of the cloud computing, or
Can you please
any
repeat the
money?
question? I couldn't hear it. Can you please repeat the
Yes.
question once?
Oh, yes. Is it gratis, or does it cost anything to use the cloud computing?
Yeah, means it obviously costs something. Means we are using the virtual machines and storing our information, so it will cost something. Means not that
Yes.
much. That yeah means not not too much as we are buying normal on-premises storage, but it will cost less
Yes.
as compared to the on-premises.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, well, that was very, very good and clear presentation, and there must be many comments and questions on this. Please, I leave the word. No, you said it all. Again, thank you, and already looking forward to meeting you in person next year.
Yeah,
Yes, you must continue this path, absolutely.
thank you.
And then